Follow the steps on how to create an editable perspective text effect in Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new document. First, I'll insert an image. Adjust the size and position. Then enter text. Double-click to open the layer style. I will add a stroke and drop shadow. You can follow it. Go to Edit and select Free Transform. Activate this icon. Set horizontal distortion. Then go back to Edit and select Skew. Adjust the text. Double-click if you want to edit the text. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.